can I say now? The silence fills the air. You didn't wanna believe, didn't think life was fair. But I know deep inside it's all in God's hands. Every twist, every turn, every part of His plans. You live for the music, for the night's fleeting highs, for the pleasures of flesh under the midnight skies. You believe in spirits, in ghosts and the unknown, but surrendering to God you stood alone. Yet you fought for the broken, for battles not yours. You stood at the gates defending their wars. How many fights did you claim as your own? Even for me you made justice your throne. How many scars did you bear for me? How many chains did you break to set me free? Now all that's left are the laughs we shared and the reckless nights when we didn't care. Goodbye my brother, I'll keep you near. We walked different roads, drifted apart, but you never stopped being a friend to my heart. I regret I couldn't repay in time the kindness you gave in this fleeting life. 10 days of slumber, mercy in disguise, to spare you the pain before you close your eyes. I see God's grace in those